or agenda. We know nothing.
Expect us.
In this tutorial, I will show you how to boot ISO file operating system on VirtualBox. First, open your Oracle virtual machine. Click New. Type the name of your virtual machine. For me is Kali Linux 2018-3.8. Then select the version. I select Debian 64-bit, because I'm using 64-bit Kali Linux operating system. Then select the volume capacity of your memory or RAM. Take note, must be 2 GB higher, because some Kali Linux eats more RAM to run. For me is 2.6 GB. Then choose VDI virtual disk image. Click Next. File location and size. Choose how many gigabyte you want to be your hard drive capacity. Before booting, you should set this up. Click on System tab on the left side. Click on Motherboard. Just follow my works. In storage, this the most important. You need to locate the ISO file you have downloaded. I will share the link of this operating system on the description below. The next is the network. This must be modified. This is important if you want to hack or test hacking in your own network. You need to set up your network like this. Just follow my works. In my case, I want to have Android phones or PC connected in my network. I'm using wireless router, but I'm connected on LAN using UDP cable. Just follow me so you don't get some errors in booting and hacking Android phones or desktop computers connected in your network. Now click Start to boot your virtual machine. It's up to you if you want to install it permanently or use it as a lib. In my case, I only use this as a lib, so if I can get any error using Kali Linux, I can redo my jobs, and some of the apps will not be affected. Wait for 5 or 4 minutes for Kali OS is preparing for boot. After that, you need to check if your Kali Linux OS is connected on the same network. You need to ping your Kali Linux OS to your mother operating system to check if they were connected. Now you can use your Kali Linux for whatever experiment you want to do. Thanks for watching.